Hello students, today in chemistry practicals we will do two activities, and these two activities we will do with Mr. Egg. Mr. Egg is a boss of the family. Our day starts with Mr. Egg. Mr. Egg is the rich source of protein. You will be knowing this. Now, what is activity number 1? First activity is to demonstrate that density of egg decreases in salt water. Density of egg decreases in salt water means egg starts to float in salt water. And second activity is to understand the process of osmosis. What is osmosis? Osmosis is the net spontaneous flow of solvent molecules from solvent to the solution, or from low solute concentration to high solute concentration through a semi-permeable membrane. We will understand the process of osmosis by egg. We will take two eggs. We will deshell them by dipping in dilute hydrochloric acid. Then we will place one of the egg in normal water and the second egg we will place in salt water for 3 to 4 hours. So bachcho, let us do these activities. These are two glasses having plain water. Now what will we do? We will put an egg in plain water. See, egg sinks in the water because the density of egg is more than water. In the second glass, we will add salt. We will add 3 spoons of salt. Dissolve it. Now we will put an egg in this salty water. Egg floats in water. Now the density of salt water is more than this egg. Means this salty liquid is applying force in the upward direction. This upward force exerted by liquid on a body immersed in solution is called as buoyant force. The salt dissolved in water increases the density of water. This salty water gives upthrust to the body, means egg. Now we will do next activity with Mr. Egg to understand the process of osmosis. Now we have taken 2 eggs in these 2 bowls. We have to remove the shell of this egg, and that can be done with the help of hydrochloric acid. This shell is composed of 94% calcium carbonate and 6% is calcium phosphate and magnesium carbonate. So this shell can be removed easily by the help of dilute hydrochloric acid. This is hydrochloric acid. See, the reaction is taking place. This is dilute hydrochloric acid. We will leave this egg in hydrochloric acid for some time. We will add more dilute hydrochloric acid so that both the eggs are immersed properly. अगर हमने hydrochloric acid की concentration ज़्यादा ली है, it will take lesser time. अगर हमने hydrochloric acid की concentration कम ली है, तो it will take more time. We also can use vinegar, 4% weight by volume vinegar, but it will take almost 2 days to remove shell completely. If you are using hydrochloric acid, you should use gloves. This shell is mainly composed of calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate reacts with hydrochloric acid. What will form? Calcium chloride, carbon dioxide and water. देखिए बच्चों, ये membrane दिखाई दे रही है ना? This membrane beneath the shell is called as semi-permeable membrane. देखिए बच्चों, egg shell is completely removed. It took almost 45 minutes. You can see the yolk. Carefully, we will put this egg in normal water. Second egg is also ready. Calcium carbonate is removed completely, and we will put it gently in salty water. This is salty water. After some time, we will check the change in the size of these eggs. Now we will do last step of this activity. We kept deshelled eggs in normal water and in salt water at least for 4 hours. Now we will remove this deshelled egg from the normal water. Now we will remove the second one. तो बच्चों, जो ये वाला एग है, ये सॉल्ट वाटर में था, इसका साइज श्रिंक हो गया. और ये वाला जो एग था, ये हमने नॉर्मल वाटर में रखा था, इसका साइज लार्ज हो गया. दिस इज ड्यू टू ऑस्मोसिस. नाउ आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू थ्योरी पार्ट ऑफ दिस एक्टिविटी. तो बच्चों, आपने देखा, egg starts to float in salt water because salt water applies upward force. This upward force is called as buoyant force. So what is buoyant force? The upward force exerted by the liquid on the body immersed in the solution. Now in the second activity, when we place de-shelled egg in normal water, it swells up because of the movement of water molecules from solvent to the solution through semi-permeable membrane. This process is called as osmosis. When we place de-shelled egg in salt water, it shrinks because water moves out of the egg through semi-permeable membrane. The concentration of solute outside egg is more. Therefore, water molecules move out of the egg. And in both the cases, water molecules are moving from low solute concentration to high solute concentration. And the flow of solvent molecules is not taking place indefinitely through the semi-permeable membrane. After some time, an equilibrium is attained. Means the tendency of water molecules to enter through semi-permeable membrane is balanced by the hydrostatic pressure of the liquid column. This hydrostatic pressure is called as the osmotic pressure, and osmotic pressure is represented by the symbol pi, which is equal to CRT. C is the concentration of the solution. Units will be mole per liter. R is the solution constant and T is the temperature in degree Kelvin, and pi is the osmotic pressure. And the values of solution constant are similar to the gas constant. आई होप बच्चों ये एक्टिविटीज आपको अच्छी लगी होंगी. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में एक और नई एक्टिविटी के साथ.